How to earn money online. 17 ways you can make money online right now. Want to make money without leaving home during the coronavirus pandemic? Or do you want to figure out why to make money online so that you can fund your travels when coronavirus subsides? International Living, a website dedicated to helping people live and travel abroad, has just issued an insightful new reports on 50 ways to make money in retirement. The report is aimed at retirees how want to found their life over overseas, but here the secret gem hidden between the advice on opening a gallery become a tour guide or journey. The craft beer revolution. You will find smart advice that anyone can use to make money online. No matter your skill set, on matter what you do now or did in the past, there is an option that will align with your own skills and passions. The internationalliving.com editor explain. According to Jennifer Steven, executive editor at International Living, the list is vast, but it is not comprehensive. We created it to give people a sense for the scope of opportunity out there. Says Steven, we were written lots about the different ways expats abroad found their lives. Sometimes it's with online work like writing or drop shipping. Sometimes it's in person service they provide, from running a consignment store to wedding planning. Certainly, the online opportunities provide great flexibility and probability portability. But it's worth pointing out that business owners is many places tell us that it's much easier to start a business abroad because it's often less expensive and less bureaucratic than it is at home. To International Living says that it's up to us to learn how to take back control of all lives, of our lifestyle and our personal happiness. Opideki also point out that for all the damages coronavirus has worth and all the damages still to come, it might have some positive outcomes when it comes to the work world. What this crisis is demonstrably is the capacity for many workers to unleash themselves from cubicle, cubicles and work from home or wherever. He says in the cold cooperative calculus of our post corona world, I think we are going to see an increasing number of visionary companies release that there are waste cost saving to be had in letting workers work from wherever. There's no need to pay the costs of running a cubicle farm when workers already have places they can work, their home, a coffee shop, wherever. And I think we will see increased productivity from this because workers will be motivated. So the lesson here is the while you might be working for from home now, this might eventually translate into living and working abroad, and the living and the dream. Advice: be as productive you possibly can. Be over productive. Step your game so that when all of this over, you have some potential leverage to take to your bosses about trying a work at home life. That's amusing, of course. You like your work at home life. Not everyone will, but if you feel the freedom those of us working remotely feel, then now aim their crisis is a great opportunity for you to shine so that bosses take note. So, whether we are looking to live in a foreign country someday, just want to work from home in the current coronavirus environment, or want to restructure your career to able to work remotely forever, read on for 17 ways you can make money online. It's valuable. It's valuable information to have during this current economic crisis and beyond. First, sell your photos. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in demand? Stock photography website are huge repositories of photographs covering about every possible subject you could imagine. Advice is international living. So how does it work? Photographer can upload their images to any one of a number of huge databases, allowing magazine editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock website photos can be sold any number of times, so you can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, Photo Shelter, and Getty Images. Create How to create videos. In recent year, YouTube has growth into the go-to source for all manners of videos, courses, and guides. Say international living. Instructor can monetize their videos by changing a subscription fee or passwords, protecting content for paying customers on for paying customers only. The article shares tips from one real estate agent who made $1 lakh in 1 month on YouTube. Another piece of advice from international living: get to know the phase that people search for. To find potential search phases, start typing how to your topic into the YouTube search bar and notice what phases are generated in the autofill drop down. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title and description tags. Become a copywriter. Want to earn a great income? No matter where you will a house, but house by the sea in Latin America, or historic European city, or even a Greek Iceland. Copywriting could be ideal for you. According to International Living, copywriting is a mega industry ripe with opportunity and yearning for people can fuel it when with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefit of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars yet live virtually anywhere in the world. Express Writers has tips on how to become a copywriter, and it's also a job. Teach English. If you are a native English speaker, you maybe realize it, but you already have the number one qualification you need for a fun portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world, says International Living. Some resources include gooverseas.com, Teach Away, iTutor Group, English Hunt. 5. Turn your interest into a podcast that plays. Podcasting does not have to be complicated, says International Living. With a microphone, laptop, and free recording software, you will be up and Running plus podcast do not need to run every day. Once a week is best and are better when they are short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obsessive is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. NPR has a great guide of launching up broadcast here. Set up a content and web development business. Do you know how to do web and content development? You can offer these services anyone via anyone via online tools that makes developing beautiful websites a snap. Some resources include WordPress, Weebly, and Joomla. Be a translator and interpreter. Do you speak another language? Anywhere you find expat communities and where English is not the first language, you will find a need for interpreting and translate services. You can also do translation and interpretation online. You will find a number of resources for being a translator or an interpreter here. One of the best is Welcome Clays, which ranked at the top of this list of the top 20 companies for remote job in 2020. Try dropshipping. Have you heard of dropshipping? It's a method of retail where the seller does not actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you will never have to fork over a single dime to store your products or maintain your inventory. Advise international living, and you will never have to buy products in bulk. Hoping to sell enough to recoup your investment, this method can be done with online selling platform like eBay or Amazon. You can find out more about dropshipping in this helpful article from Shofe. Tutor. Establishing your own tutoring services can be a lucrative business that provides you with a comfortable and flexible life. Advice international living. The best part of all, you can set up a tutoring business is in most your country in the world. A tip offer discount to client. How to promote your business. Word of mouth marketing is still one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have when starting out. Advices international living. The site tutor.com has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply to be a tutor at tutorme.com. Become a freelancer. Profiting in is another lucrative online careers. Most agencies will pay around 25% of the price of translated document to a proofreader. Advice international living. Agencies change about $75 from the translation of a 5-page standard business document. So proofing the same documents with which takes about an owner pays and about $18 to $20. You can work full time, part time, or around the clock.